What does a match have to do with your purpose? Stay tuned to find out. So today we're talking about being accountable to your purpose. And so you can call me Webster today because I'm going to give you a couple of definitions. And I love giving definitions because it gives a whole lot of context to any message that is delivered. So the first thing we're going to look at is the definition of accountable. So the definition of accountable, when you Google it, you find that it says required or expected to justify actions or decisions. In other words, responsible. And so two words I highlight there are actions and decisions. So if you're going to be accountable, it starts with taking action and making some decisions. And the second word is potential. The definition of potential is latent qualities or abilities that may be developed and lead to future success or usefulness. So latent qualities or abilities that may be developed and lead to future success or usefulness. So a couple of key words to take away from all of that, in addition to the actions and decisions from the accountable definition, there's also this idea of being latent, which also means dormant. So there are these dormant qualities, these dormant abilities that we each have that we could develop, and if we were to develop them, would lead to future success and usefulness. So when it's latent or when it's dormant, it's not useful to anybody. So if you have a talent or a gift that's just sitting there, it's of no use to anyone. And I like to talk a lot about potential versus Kinetic, not the state, kinetic, potential versus kinetic. So if we're talking about being accountable to your potential, what you want to do, the challenge or the call is to go from being potential to kinetic. Potential energy is energy that's stored, whereas kinetic energy is energy that's in motion, that's moving, that action has been taken. So going back to our match concept. So a match by itself, just sitting there, has a ton of potential energy. And it's not until you strike that match onto the striker board that it starts to take fire and it starts to burn and be consumed. So we are the same way. And what I want to be for you today is that match, that spark that will get you started, will get you moving, will get you walking towards your purpose, walking towards your potential and doing something with it. And so this week, it's about being accountable. It's about taking action, making a decision to take action. And it's about developing those qualities and abilities that are lying dormant right now so that you can start a fire that can't be consumed. And that fire is your passion. This is Jason with Real Smart Consulting for another Mission Monday post. Be sure to like, subscribe on YouTube, and hope you'll follow us. Enjoy the week.